Hey crafters, if you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a pack order with me. Um, I just felt like, having you guys watch me pack orders just to motivate those of you that are still trying to get into this business or that are in this business and are struggling with sales. And I have some Etsy tips on how to make sales on Etsy. So check out those videos. And I just wanted to motivate those of you that have not started yet with your Etsy business. It don't matter what business you're trying to do on Etsy, any kind of craft you're trying to do. We are all under one umbrella. So I am just trying to motivate you guys. So, but anyways, it's kind of noisy out there in the living room. I got my kids. I got them watching their iPad so that they can do what they're doing and I can concentrate on what I'm doing. I already started packing orders, but I just wanted to have you guys, work with me today. So let's dive into this because your girl is gonna be so busy. So I already gotten my shirts pressed. You guys know I use heat white toner printer. So what I usually do, I always tag my shirts and even my tutu as well, so that they can know the washing instruction. And that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And I made these tags on Canva. Canva is a place where I make all my designs, and I love Canva so much. I had to pay for their subscription. um my kids are loud, sorry. So I have videos on how to use white toner printer, how to press the shirt. So for those of you that are planning on buying white toner printer, make sure you go watch my video on my experience with white toner printer. It's on my channel. I talked about the good and the bad and the ugly about white toner printers. So yeah. So, and I just wanted to show you guys this boss baby here, the purple. You can see how cute it is. I'm trying to let me show you guys the tutu that goes with this. So this is a tutu that goes with this. So what I'm trying to do now is to switch this ribbon to light purple. That's what I'm thinking of doing. Otherwise, I may go this route actually. This here like this. Yeah, maybe I should go like this. Because I have this purple. Speaking to me. I may have to call my mom, switch things up, because I had told her to make me a black tutu with light color, black tulle with light color, but with a lavender ribbon. But I think I'm gonna be switching things up. Yeah. So you guys know my mom is the one making tutus for me now, and things have been going smoothly for me. So I have this other one here. This is also the mermaid. And what I use to match the mermaid, I'm gonna show you the tutu. I have all my tutus made. My mom usually make it for me. So this is our mermaid tutu. For those of you that don't know, this is the mermaid one. And I'm trying to switch up a lot of things in my store. Because this mermaid ribbon is very expensive. And it's only one place I can find it, the Hobby Lobby. So I'm trying to switch it up, so I don't have to go through that. I don't have to buy from Hobby Lobby each time they have a sale, because that's the only way I do it. When they have a sale, that's when I can afford it, because it's like 3 yards in one bundle and it's like $4.99, and in one row, 3 yards.
Mommy, I made also
for each ribbon. Okay, baby. And it cost me like $4.99 for one roll of the mermaid. That's too expensive. Let me see if I have it here. Here we go. This here is just 3 yards for $4.99. I'll show you guys can see. I'm using my back camera, so it may be reading wrong, but you can see $4.99 for 3 yards. 3 yards. So I have to buy 4 of this. And how much profit will I make? I have no idea. So I usually go when they have sales. They usually have like 30 or 40% off. every other week. So I usually go the week that they usually have it for the ribbons. Um, so that's what I'm trying to switch. I'm trying to really switch a lot of things on my store. This one here, I'm trying to get out of it. So I don't know how to do it, but people are liking the design. I'm like, dang. So this one is not as expensive as the mermaid. This one I may leave it, but the mermaid gotta go. It gotta go, because it's gonna cost me like $20 just for ribbon, and I ain't got time for that. All right. So I'm done with that. Now I need to start putting the tutus together. These are all the shirts. I need to start getting all the tutus packed up. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. I got 2 tutus here on the floor that I need to pack as well. Then I'm gonna start running the labels and start packaging everything up. So the 6 over there are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here are not ready. This one need a ruffle, like this ruffle socks or socks, whatever. This one need a ruffle as well. This one need a ruffle. This one need a ruffle. This one need a t-shirt. It's missing a t-shirt. 6 to 12 month. I don't have that. These 2 over here needs what do you call it? Tutus. My mom already made them. She made one and she's in the process of making the second one as we're speaking. So but all of them are going to be shipped out. So I'm going to, the ones that are ready, I'm going to start running their labels, because I know for sure they're ready. Oh, there are 8 of them here that are not ready, not 7, 8.
Alright guys, y'all can see it's time to pack all these orders, and you guys can tell I am not in a comfortable state at all. My office is getting really little for me, and my business is growing, and you guys can see that in order to package an order, I have to put my knees on the floor and start packing on that chair. The table that I used to pack orders with, I already have a lot of things on it, a lot of orders that are ready to go, but I need a specific table just to pack orders. My office is so little for me, and of course, and I'm thinking I may have to move to my basement because this is really little. It's not really motivational anymore for me to work because the space is so tight, and I'm very claustrophobic, and I don't like a space where I don't like to be feeling like I'm being in a box, and that's how I feel right now. Real talk, I am not motivated. I'm not always motivated to work, and that's not good. So what I am doing, what I have been doing lately, I have been writing thank you notes on their packing slip, and just to be 100% with you guys, I actually got a thank you note from a vendor that I bought a t-shirt from, to be specific, Angela. AJ Blanks is where I usually buy all my t-shirts, and she usually like just send a packing slip, but this specific one that she sent, she put a thank you note because we had a back to back conversation through email, and when she sent it, she now put a thank you with a heart, and that kind of got my heart, like it got me. I'm like, she really put an effort in my order, and she know who she's packing this order for, and she said thank you to me. I'll tell you this, I've been throwing all of the packing slip for all the orders I've been getting from her, but this specific one I did not throw that one away because she handwrite the thank you, like that meant a lot to me. I started thinking, I'm like, maybe I need to do that for my business so I can handwrite as well. So I've been doing that lately. You guys let me know what you prefer. You prefer the thank you card or you prefer the handwriting thank you notes? It just happened that my thank you card just got finished, and I saw that from Angela. I was like, that kind of got to me, and I'm like, I will have to do that. So you guys let me know what you think, what you have been doing for your business. I would love to know.
All right, guys, I am finally done with these packages, and I have over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 packages. So basically I have 12 packages that needs to go out, and so it's going out on Monday. Today is Saturday. I usually process my orders like Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, those 3 days, and Mondays is my new shipping dates because that gives me the whole week to relax and not to be stressed out about orders. So Thursdays I resume again, start processing orders, and Friday processing. Saturday is my big day to make sure everything is packed up so I can ship it out. So these ones that you can see, they're already packed up, they're ready to go, everything is complete here. All these other ones I did not process. All these other ones that I did not close the bag is because I'm waiting for the socks. There's a tutu socks to be made. My mom already made the socks. She told me she already made them. Just two more she's working on right now. So I'm gonna go to her and pick it up when I'm done. So and I'm gonna close this bag up, and on Monday I'm going to have the mail lady come pick it up for me. So now I don't usually go to the post office anymore. I have the mail lady come pick it up for me, and it's free. So why not? Why won't I use that service? So if you have that service in your area, help yourself, make life easy for you. Okay, my kids are loud. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for hanging with me. Thank you for rocking with me. I hope this is very motivating for you guys. For those of you that have not started your business yet, I hope this is gonna push you, give you the push that you need so you can start. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I have a lot of tutorial on how to make tutus, how to design the shirt, how to press the shirt. I use white toner printer, which is what I have here. And the white toner printer, I have a tutorial on how I use white toner printer on my channel. So I have a lot on this channel. I have ways on how you can how to package your tutus. So you may want to go bench watch all of my videos or most of my videos on my channel. And also, my kids are so loud, sorry guys. And also I have videos on how to get sales on Etsy, because you guys know that's the platform where I make where I sell. I'm trying to get into TikTok, but I'm not 100% sure on what to put on TikTok, because TikTok, you have to ship certain time, and with customized items I cannot guarantee the time that TikTok is expecting sellers to ship out stuff. So I'm trying to understand the TikTok. If you guys have TikTok shop, let me know, let me educate me on TikTok. I have created a shop, I've been approved, but I haven't put nothing there because I'm trying to figure out what to put there so that I don't freak out. I'm thinking, I'm trying to figure things out. I was thinking about making tumblers and put there because that's easy to do, but I'm not exactly sure what I want to do on TikTok yet. You guys let me know what platform you use to make your sales, and if you like it, and if you're on Etsy or you're aspiring to get on Etsy, I have videos on how to get sales on Etsy, because I am just 1 year on Etsy and I am doing good. I am doing good, so far so good, I cannot complain. My first year on Etsy, I made 5 figures going on 6 figures. I was so close to 6 figures. So and I kept on doing things that I've been doing from day one. I kept on doing it and it has been working for me. So I have videos on what to do to get sales on Etsy. So check out those videos. You will not regret it. So I have a lot that's going to help you start your business if you haven't started yet. Check out all those videos. Those are going to help you start your business. And I hope you start someday. I hope this is motivating enough. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me as always. Stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Bye-bye. Peace out.